The Supreme Court has reached the end of another term full of critical decisions. This June saw the justices ruling on a variety of issues touching every part of American society, from abortion, gun rights, and the environment, to the opioid crisis and homelessness. As the court prepared to conclude its term on Monday, one of the most anticipated rulings was whether former President Donald Trump will receive immunity from prosecution for his role in the January 6, 2021 Capitol riot. The court, which historically handles such presidential cases more swiftly, has delayed its decision on Trump's immunity, potentially affecting the timing of any trial and its implications for the upcoming November elections. Critics have accused the justices of granting Trump immunity by delay, especially since the court previously ruled quickly on matters involving him, including a unanimous decision preventing states from using the post-Civil War insurrection clause to bar him from running for office. This term, the justices tackled numerous heavy-hitting issues. They ruled against extensive use of federal obstruction charges for those accused in the January 6 events, which has led to many conservatives feeling hopeful about fairness and due process. The court also ruled on whether social media platforms can regulate content views, with a focus on laws from Texas and Florida that aim to counter perceived conservative censorship by liberal-dominated tech companies. In another landmark ruling, the court upheld a federal rule requiring Idaho hospitals to provide emergency abortions when a woman's health is at risk, despite the state's strict abortion ban. This decision has sparked controversy, particularly among conservative circles, emphasizing the need to return to traditional values and familial responsibility. Furthermore, the court made notable decisions touching upon gun rights, reversing a ban on bump stocks, and allowing civil lawsuits against individuals involved in January 6, even as they narrowed obstruction charges. The court also ruled to protect access to the abortion drug, mifepristone, which conservatives see as undermining the sanctity of life. The presence of conservative justices such as Amy Coney Barrett, Neil Gorsuch, and Brett Kavanaugh has influenced these outcomes significantly. Their voting patterns often align with traditional values, ensuring the protection of individual rights and adherence to the Constitution, albeit sometimes controversially. Justice Clarence Thomas has faced calls to step aside from cases linked to January 6 due to his wife, Ginny Thomas's involvement. However, he remains a stalwart, ensuring that interpretations of the Constitution safeguard conservative principles. The court's impending decision on Trump's immunity and the regulations on social media platforms are likely to have long-lasting impacts. Should Trump be granted immunity, it would reaffirm the necessary protections for former presidents, promoting stability and deterring politically motivated prosecutions. The social media ruling could help ensure that conservative viewpoints aren't unfairly censored, protecting free speech as intended by the Founding Fathers. As the Supreme Court concludes its term, the nation watches closely. These decisions will shape the legal landscape and reflect the ongoing struggle between preserving traditional values and navigating the evolving societal norms.